was like, please tell me why you're not posting at least 3 proof testimonials a day. I'm like, I don't know, I guess because it's easy to do. He goes, exactly. He goes, does your team, does your community not understand what they have here? The fact that you have thousands and thousands and thousands of testimonials and they're not even posting them every day. He goes, and your website should be full of them because people aren't here to learn. They're here for the transformation. And you're not sharing the transformation enough. And I'm like, you're just going to bruise me pretty bad, aren't you? He goes, oh, you are going to be so bruised. He goes, but your entire community is going to evolve.
I'm just going to pause for a moment because I've already watched this, but we have a massive, massive YouTube influencer who is about to help us in our community make it even better. He literally said he can 10x this in 2 years. 10x what we're doing already in 2 years. And the guy is blown away by what our community is doing already. So I just wanted you to hear a little bit of that, of these things that we're getting every day, like new information on how amazing this program is. And it's like trying to get people to understand what we have here and what we're doing and all the people that are making money. And I posted earlier about the massive influx. Forbes magazine said that we are a $1 billion industry already, growing significantly, and then to have all of this information.
Oh, hugely. So I shared with him that, Michelle and I are redoing the website, redoing the emails,
We're
and
just
he said, get that done.
And building.
And then he wants to go through the entire system, and then I fly back down there to have one-on-one with him in July. And he's like, we are literally just going through it all.
Right
he
on.
goes, my whole entire team, his branding, dude, his marketing dude, his strategist, I don't know what Ed is, like.
Oh man, I wish so bad I could tell you who it was, but we're not there yet. Not everything is moving, and she just got back from this conference that she met him at, and this was literally 3/16/26. That's the date. So we're just getting some of this really cool information about what is about to happen to our community. And I've said it before: no tech, no hassle. This community is one of the largest, according to them, one of the largest and most active communities on the system in the school community. So it's just you don't want to wait. You just don't want to wait. This is just too amazing of an opportunity to not get on board. And now's the time. We're about to 10x according to this very, very, very high influencer on YouTube and social media. So you probably can guess who it is. I just can't say it. So, but he's about to help us take this over. And when you have a book signing for marketing, social media, and all of the digital stuff out there right now that made $100 million. And that's nothing to do with me, nothing to do with our program, but it's the person coming in to help us 10x this over the next 2 years. So you want to be on the ground floor. You don't want to sit around waiting for it to happen and then trying to catch up later. It's crazy. 10x in 2 years. 10x. I mean, let's talk more. Make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be giving one more information as I'm allowed to, as this grows and evolves. So don't sit back on it. Go to my bio, asking you to buy anything, just go. It's a free blueprint. It's got a lot of this information in it on how we work and how this whole system works. It explains it a lot better than I can on the video. It's got videos and it's got all sorts of stuff you can look at before you make a decision. I just also want to say that this program is at the highest level, which is where I am to my business. And this is what it is. It's a business. I'm building a business. This is 100% mine. Everything that I sell after my first purchase is mine. I don't share it. This community doesn't share it. We're not an affiliate program. We are a master resale seller. We have master resale seller rights. Sorry about that, but so we have we can sell this to anyone at any time, anywhere in the world, and we make 100% of the profit. It comes in tiers of 300, 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1400. 1400 is the one I went on. It's the Legacy Builders Bundle Pack. It has everything that I can possibly use to build my business. And like I said, full access to everything. You don't get full access to everything when you do the lower tiers, but you can upgrade. So it's not a, if I get it, I mean, I was really lucky. And let me say, I couldn't afford the $1,400, but I did it anyway. Very happy I did, but I couldn't afford it at the time. My wife was pissed. But anyway, it's all made up for it now because one sale is equal to. So that's what I said. My mentor, Wendy, who I bought the system from, made $1,400. So she also, when she got in 2 years ago, she bought the $1,400 pack, the Legacy Legacy Builders Bundle Pack. And sorry, gotta say that 5 times fast. But so even when I'm sure she sold hundreds of these before I ever came to her, but when I did go to her, that one purchase paid for her $1,400. So it's because she gets the $1,400. So one purchase pays for your entire business, except you do have a $36 or $39 website fee. Other than that, no annual fees. I don't pay an annual fee for my funnel. I don't pay anything. It's all on the free product, the free system in System.io. Yeah, System.io. And we use Kajabi for the rest of it, for the some of the funnels and stuff like that. The actual, not the funnels, but the website, the webinars and all the stuff that we have bundled up in here. That if you look back at some of my older videos, you can see I've done some sneak peeks on the inside of the community and stuff like that. So it's all there. 59,000 people already in. We're about to 10x and blow up with somebody who is in the world right now, in everybody's face right now. And he saw our system and he wants in. He wants to help us. He wants to blow this thing up, and we are pumped. So, like I said, the choice is yours. All I'm asking right now is go check it out. Free blueprint, telling you everything there is to know about this product and where you want to get in. 3, 6, 9, 14, whatever you want to do. It's a upgradable product, so you can buy low and just keep building and building and buy more, or you can just go all in like I did. And I'm going all in hours wise. I do way more than the 2 hours recommended, but it already worked out. I already told you, $4,000 in my first 28 days. I paid my course off, my business off in less than 28 days. I mean, how do you flip and beat that? I mean, come on. So anyway, I'm gonna just ramble because I'm very excited right now listening to this this podcast again, and just
all of them. Like I have an entire
he's excited. This is the founder, by the way,
go through our entire system,
of
and
the whole community and the
so
legacy program.
slick.
So Yeah.
So I shared with him my goal, and I will just share this with you because this is huge, right? And I'm like, I want to be making 8 million a year in the next 3 years. He goes, no, 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 no. You'll be making at least 10
Woo.
because of the changes that we're gonna do.
Right on.
I'm telling you what that's gonna do for you guys. Like this is awesome. Like literally,
it's just building
the fact that
it's just building the back end of our program. So everything that we get in the community, she pours in there, and now this gentleman and his team is going to come in and pour more and make it better and make the whole process easier and easier to sell and easier to use for us to get this out there into our funnels and stuff like that. So again, rambling. I'm excited, so I can't help it. But I'm gonna. This is very long.
entire.
Whoops. Just wanted to give everybody a heads up on what's happening. It's going to be exciting, and you don't want to miss it. Okay, so please either follow, subscribe, and go check out my blueprint in the bio or the description below, depending on what you're watching this on. Okay. Again, I'm excited. I hope to see you on the other side. Again, not again. My name is Chris Lee. I am I'm getting into this. I'm about 30 something days in now, having a blast. It's just literally, I can see my 9 to 5 disappearing. I can feel it disappearing. It's like I've manifested this in so, because I'm so excited. I mean, when you get a $1,400 ding in your on your phone, there is absolutely nothing like it. The feeling is beyond. I have no overhead, none. My time is my overhead, and for about time that I'm making all the money. The time I'm putting into this is my choice, not somebody else's on the 9 to 5 aspect. It's mine. I put as much time as I want. And when you get a $1,400 ding on your phone, you get right back on, get to work. You get it. All right. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.